What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we are gonna be doing a entry table DIY. It is this one right here, guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing how we built this entry table ourselves and how I decorated it and all of that, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave your girl a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this table. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my future videos. Now let's go ahead and get started. So we are gonna go ahead and get started with our entryway table. So it's gonna be right in here where this wall is at. I currently have some of this stuff down here because I'm not sure where we're gonna place it, but I do want to add an entry table along this wall. So I'm gonna bring you guys around outside to show you what we are working with. Okay guys, so this is what the chevron block looks like. It is really, really nice on its own, but we are gonna go ahead and stain it. So this is gonna be the tabletop. We're gonna stain it. So it's a chevron butcher block countertop. That's the name of it. But yeah, I will show you guys the process. So I can show you guys what it looks like once it's all done. Okay guys, so right here, we are currently staining it. This is what it looks like before and after through the entire process, and this is just the conditioner that we put on. Okay guys, so I just got done I used this thing here, and this is the pre-stain. It's a wood conditioner, and this is just going to help the wood so that way when we do the color stain on it, it's not going to be blotchy or anything like that. It already looks so beautiful, but we are going to go ahead and move over to what the actual stain is. So it is actually this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and do the wood finish next, and then finalize the countertop for the entry table. Okay guys, so we actually had to stop by and go to Home Depot because I did an online order for the stain for the entry table, and they actually gave us 2 clear coats. They didn't give me the actual color for the entry table, so I am doing a quick pit stop to Home Depot to get the actual color stain, and then I will keep you guys updated once I get that all done. Okay guys, and right here I am just trying to pick out the right shade for the entry tabletop, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go with that one, Midnight, but it's actually too dark, so I ended up going with this one that it's called Kona, and it is the perfect shade. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys really quick what the legs look like the base of the entry table, because my husband's currently working on it outdoors, and it is already late at night, and he still wants to do it. He still wants to work on it. We do have lights out. So I want to show you guys what that looks like really quick before I paint them. I'm going to paint the bottom half antique white, and then we are also going to add a bottom shelf, and then I did layer the stain on the top chevron tabletop, and it looks so nice, but I do have to give it a second coat, but it's just getting really, really dark out there. So let me just show you guys what we're working with. Okay guys, so here is the hubby adding some extra glue onto the table just to make it a little bit more sturdier, and here is the tabletop. I've done the second coat of tint to it, and it's coming out so nice. So right here we're just waiting for it to dry down just a little bit to make sure that the table is nice and sturdy before I go into the paint with the antique white, and the tabletop is coming out so beautiful. I am back, and this is the update with the little entry table. So this is the bottom piece. I just got done painting it. I did 2 coats of antique white. Yeah, so it's painted antique white. So that's the bottom part. We did the second coat of the stain on the chevron top. This is what the look is coming out like. And then my husband over here, he is currently working on the bottom shelf. So that's gonna be at the bottom. So it's gonna have the top and it's gonna have a bottom shelf as well. So that is the update, guys. If you guys do like videos that are like DIYs like this, please let me know in the comments down below. And a friendly reminder, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so we just got done building the little bottom shelf that's gonna go underneath the table. And I wanted to add this little piece because I wanted to add some decor to like the top and a little bit like to the bottom, you know, to give it a vibe. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this piece as well with the antique white paint, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's all done, and then we're gonna install it to the bottom. Okay guys, so right here we are just sanding the bottom table down so we can give it that antique distress look. And here is the final result with our entry table. I am so obsessed. I love it. Dang, that looks so beautiful. Love. And here's the finish after all the stain is all done. And then we also did distress it. So we wanted to make it look a little bit rugged, a little bit antique-ish to go along with the rest of the house. I'm obsessed. Hey guys, so we are gonna be shopping at Target to see if we can find anything to decorate for our entry table. Look at all the finds there is at Target. Love this damn store. Let's see. Let's go to the home decor section. These little pots are so cute. And I'm also feeling like these two pinos, like these two big ones to put like on the side entries of the entry table. Like, I don't know. They also have these little smaller pine trees. Those are the big ones. Those are like really calling my name. So which ones should I get? Also, I am really liking these little pots here. Those are so cute, and these are olive bushes. I'm so confused. I don't even know which ones to get. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys the ending result of the table. I want to show you guys what I picked up from where or whatever. So this is what the entry table looks like from the very top. Overall, you guys saw the process of how we got this to look this way. We stained it. The chevron block is from Lowe's, guys. So we ended up ordering these candle holders from Amazon. These little beads are also from Amazon. And we just added these to give it a little bit of texture. This little flower vase, just to give it a pop of a color. I always like to have like natural flowers on here. It just gives the house like a whole vibe. These little flower things, flower basket, these are from Ross. These are like older decorations that we had. We had them in the room. And then from Target, guys, I ended up picking up this basket. I loved like the texture on it, how rugged it is. It just gives it like this whole vibe. And I thought it was from the Magnolia collection, but it's not. It's actually from the Threshold basket. It is a handcrafted basket. It is a really good size. I just love like the rustic feel that it gives the table. It just fits in very well. And I think I'm gonna put like a cozy blanket like hanging out or something. I'm not sure. On this corner, we have the second set of the flowers that we have up here on the top. So they're just the same. The middle is a basket, and then we have this lantern. It's really pretty. It's really, really nice. And I love this little detail that it has up here. It has like this little circle. Originally, I had it up here on the top, but for now, I just have it there. It's really, really nice. And that one, I ordered it from Lowe's. It was like 80 bucks. It was a little bit fancy, but it's very, very pretty. And this is the overall look of the entry table, guys. It was an easy DIY. It was a lot more affordable to do it ourselves, and it was custom because we created this ourselves. And I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure that you guys leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on the next one, next DIY. Goodbye.